Surrey's Tees River, giant mayfly are starting to emerge. For 3 years, they've lived underwater as larvae. Now, in just 3 hours, millions of the winged adults dance together and mate before they die. This extraordinary spectacle was once common in Eastern Europe, but so many rivers now have stabilized banks and are badly polluted that the mayflies have largely disappeared. But when the rivers are clean, wildlife is quick to return. The kingfisher, the most glorious of